Yeah, I wanted to show you this on this Power Stroke. This is my fireman buddy's truck. So I'm gonna give you a little story about a story of another story. You know, you talk about these trucks coming in the 6.0s. Oh, they're pieces of shit. Blah blah blah. So this one came in. You know, you get like one of these trucks every 2 years. Okay, I'm gonna hurry up with my story so it's not so long. He brings the truck and we found out number 5 in ejector was toast. You know, it was missing. We put number 5 in, which is on driver's side, and we found out third one back on the driver's side is 6. We changed number 6, brand new factory Ford in ejectors. Damn thing won't start. It's like, you turn the key, nothing. So we screw around with it and screw around with it. You know, we're checking all the wires. You know, we're doing a you know, disconnecting sensors to see if one of them's. We got the IDS plugged into it. Nothing. No code. Well, holy shit. So, anyways, everything checks out. But one thing is weird is that the FICM, when we do the FICM test, when you hear the all 8 buzz, and then that. I'm thinking, is the FICM bad? So I went and got another FICM and shoved in it. There's the old FICM. This is an 03 FICM. They're tragedies. We put the FICM in, no change. So, I mean, it just like wants to start, but it just won't. Anyways, long story short, he puts this aluminum de-asshole bottle, de-gas my asshole bottle. Okay? This damn thing, so we pull it out, we got the truck to run. It started up. I'm like, oh, cool. We put the degas bottle back in, it's still running. We drive it around the little place here, you know, we got little bumps and shit, and it dies. It's like, shuts off, like you shut the key off. What the hell? I'm thinking FICM. So we try to start it back up, nothing. 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 So we get it pushed back in here. It's now 10:30 at night. So we're going, what the hell? So we check everything, and we check. Just keep going over. Remember to double check, right? I mean, we virtually have everything. We have the 48 volts in the FICM. So tonight I took a little break. You know how we do. You know, fucking just keep going and going and going. Sorry, my little videos. This guy's got actually some nice pipes on here. Anyways, so we want to show you this. So lo and behold, I thought when we pull the degas bottle, let me loosen up the degas bottle. So I loosened up the degas bottle. Let me bring it back a little bit. Oh, it's forward, sorry. We loosened up that aluminum, it's not plastic, it's aluminum. And when it fits up in there, it pushes the harness. Can you see that? What do you see right there? Oh, sorry. Isn't that a screw right there? Look at that. Look at that screw sticking out. That's like a ½ inch. Look at that sharp screw. Look where it goes. Right into the frickin' harness. Bam. What goes underneath here? The degas bottle. The aluminum degas bottle goes here. It's pushing that right into the screw. So when we got a hold of this truck, when we drove it, last one to touch it, you're it. Bing. Look what we found. I found my phone down there. So, sorry about dropping my phone, but that's what the cause was. So we pulled the degas bottle out. Because I remember about these harnesses, okay? Now I'm really starting to remember about these harnesses way back in the day. So anyways, that's our problem. So we're gonna, it looks like it's got like a nut on it, and it holds up this little foam piece. So we're going to trim that down a little bit with the old trusty grinder. Right there. Look at that. That's what's hitting that harness. If I pull this away right now, it starts right up. If I push on that and I push it in there, it don't. It don't crank. It don't do shit. So we found it. So anyways, you guys out there in La La Land, it just had to dig around. We kept digging. That's what we found. So this truck is freaking pimped. Anyways, hope you like my video. What I found. So, you know, check all the rubs, rub-a-dub-dub in the club. What a day. What a day. So anyways, hope you enjoy the video. Look for those rubs on here. The guy said it never conked out on him. I mean, just saying, but it did us, so we had to go through all this mess to figure this out. So anyways, we put a new fuel pump. We did find that the fuel pressure was 34 pounds. It had a bad fuel pressure reg. Whoever previously worked on it said that they bulletproofed it. And I'm here to show you today that is not a blue spring. That is not new, and this is not new. This is what comes in the blue spring kit. So remember, when you're putting the blue spring kits on, there's a little O-ring. They don't show you this. There's an O-ring that goes on here. You don't put that O-ring right on the end right there, it will leak fuel past there and you won't build up pressure. And you'll think it's the pump. Okay? Now this one still had pressure. So now you can see from there, we do quality work. There's the new housing. Got the blue spring kit. Now we're running 76 psi. We're gonna get rid of that aluminum can. We're gonna put the factory one back in it, and we're gonna fix that harness. So anyways, hope you like my video. Give me a thumbs up. Appreciate you guys, okay? So it's been a long day, 11 hours. So I know you're going, well, how come it took you so long to fix that? Well, maybe nobody over here said, hey, Dr. Seuss, we know where the frickin' problem is. So this is the one that'll bite you in the ass. So anyways, hope you like my video. Have a good night. Give me a thumbs up. Like my video. Thanks, guys.